My name's Tamara Western. I'm an associate professor here in the biology department. My biology-based research was involved with cell developmental biology in plants and also genetics. Um, and now I am getting more and more focus into science education research. And I guess the other thing to add is I'm currently the graduate program director for biology. When I went into biology, it was, I guess, a combination of things, and partly is I wanted to be a veterinarian, and that led me to focus on biology. And then once I started taking courses as an undergraduate, I took genetics and found it really fun. I also took developmental biology and was strangely fascinated by the plant part of it for some reason, which surprised me since I wanted to be a veterinarian. And then I guess I missed out on a summer job I wanted to get with a horse vet and got a summer job in a lab instead, and I never really looked back. I ended up deciding to go to grad school because I was working in the genetics lab and molecular biology, and I just found it really fascinating. I am just curious about how organisms work. I mean, I think it comes down to that. I've always been particularly fascinated with developmental biology and how do you go from a single cell to a complex multicellular organism, and how does it cope once it grows up. And I guess one of the things that got me into plant biology and kind of maintains more kind of interest in the plant side of things is the fact that plants can't run away. They've got to deal with what is going on around them, and so they're very plastic, and they're in their ability to grow and develop and deal with their environment without being able to move. And so it's kind of fascinating to see how they are able to adjust their lifestyle in response to what they're dealing with.
What do you enjoy about teaching McGill undergrads?
I love teaching students, McGill undergrads, because they're just such a fascinating group of people. I love having the opportunity to interact with them and get them to bring some of their background knowledge and interests into the conversations. It makes it much more stimulating for me as an instructor to have those opportunities to interact. And I just find everybody brings some background knowledge or ideas or experiences that can enrich things on both sides.